Hey everybody, I'm David Dolce. I'm your Regional Director of Education for Tricoci University. I remember my first day of beauty school. It was exciting and it was overwhelming too. I remember opening my kit and being surprised by all these shiny things I got, but I was a little confused too. I'm like, what are all these? We're gonna walk you through your kit today so you're a little bit more comfortable when you open your kit and see everything that you get. If you didn't know, Tricoci has an award-winning curriculum called Pro. Everything is web-based, so we do include with you an iPad 10, and you'll be able to download your books, download all the programs you need. The best part of this is if you're still unsure about something, you get to take it home, watch the videos, work on your mannequins to really perfect your skills. This also is accompanied with a workbook. What I like about the workbook is what the hand writes, the brain remembers. So using your workbook is going to help you retain the knowledge a little bit more, and don't worry, it looks kind of thick, but we're here to help you with that. The next thing I want to talk about are your hot tools. So your hot tools are going to include everything from your blow dryer to your flat iron, and to your Marcel iron. The Marcel iron is kind of awesome to me because I didn't really know what this was when I started school. I was used to curling irons where you grab the end, but this one you don't. This is all in the wrist, all the wrist action. Try not to grab the tip. I saw some people burn themselves in school, but don't worry, you're gonna get it. Your brush kit includes 5 different brushes. This might be a little overwhelming, but don't worry. Each and every brush has a different purpose. You're gonna do amazing blowouts, Hollywood styles, and this is when you know you really got it. Once you're working your way through school, you're gonna have to carry your tools with you. We provide you with a caddy to put everything in, your aprons, your capes, all the things you're going to need. We got your water bottles, all your brushes, clip sets, everything. Pivot point mannequins are now multicultural. So all the skin colors are random. They're gonna come in your kit. You're really not gonna know what you get until you open that kit on your first day. Back in the day, the hair was just attached to the head. You got rid of it, you threw away the mannequin and you were done. These are revolutionary. These unscrew from the bottom and you only change the hair out. The scalp comes out, you put your new one back on, screw it on, and you're ready to go. New to this year, Pivot Point also has a mannequin recycling program, which is awesome, so nothing's gonna go to waste anymore. You get different hair types. We have our textured hair, blonde hair, and we also have a men's mannequin. The men's mannequin has been updated. It now includes a curly beard, which is more realistic. We did this because beards are in. Beards are trending so high right now. We want you to be able to do the excellent beard trim. We have also our color tools, so your color bottle you're gonna use, your different clip sets, your brushes, balayage brushes, everything that is trending today, we do teach you how to do these. And let's talk about your shears. When we get into hair cutting, you guys have a shark fin shear set. Shark fin is amazing. This is gonna come with your traditional pair and also your texturizing shears. What are texturizing shears? They actually have little teeth inside them, so it takes out the bulk in the hair. These look kind of scary too, but we're gonna show you all about those. We talk a lot about long hair, but now we're gonna talk about short hair. We have a wall clipper set, and Wall's one of my favorite brands. Your professional clippers and trimmers that you're gonna use to create those short looks that you see all over the place in the magazines that are trending a lot now. You're also gonna get a manicure kit. Your manicure kit is from Gelish and Morgan Taylor. So this is all professional products. You're gonna learn how to do gels, you're gonna learn how to do manicures. It also includes right here your clipper set, and you're gonna have everything you need to go. Talk about trending, nails are in. The designs you see now are crazy. You'll be able to practice those looks in school. Krylon is a professional makeup line, and you will get a full Krylon makeup kit. Also, you get a set of crown brushes, and all of these things are gonna get you started in the makeup world. If makeup's your thing, this is what you want. Another cool thing that I liked about beauty school is you have a tail comb and you have a pin comb. In theory, both of these look like they do the same thing. They don't. You'll learn the special times to use your pin comb and the special times to use your tail comb. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you for walking through this with me. I'm excited for you guys to join school, and good luck. Have a great career.